Is that the Sebastian in Vail? Whoa. This is, whoa. Fancy place.
Looks like it was Aurora. I don't know what this is though.
Well, that's Dewhurst. What the hell? That's like a rare old kind of Dewhurst. Oh, wow. Here, I'm going to come in here and get this.
They're big. This
You're
is
right.
a traction elevator too.
These are nice. Wow. Yep, traction. These might be TK ISIS if they're from before 2007.
Maybe. Though didn't they have a special fixture set for those?
The ISIS 2s used Aurora. Wait, no, they're just regular traction. Look, they have a machine room.
Wow.
These are really nice. I like these ones.
Take it back down to P.
I'd say these are actually my favorites in Vail so far.
Some TK Auroras, yeah. Pretty good. It's funny how everyone is ThyssenKrupp here.
Seriously. ThyssenKrupp's got a death grip on Vail.
Is it 10 floors?
Nine.
That's crazy.
Excuse me, let me get my picture.
Let's see, I bet there's another elevator around here.
Anyway, really neat property this is. That exit's on that side. That will be it. Look, there's a third elevator. This one's service, looks like. Interesting. Anyway, that's it then.